Alright, hopefully no glitches this time around. Please, no glitches this time around.
Okay, let me see.
Doesn't seem like it.
I see more of a bat.
Yeah, actually looks better, because the dates were glitching out before. So
Okay,
we're
so,
good.
Okay, so that did fix it.
Good.
Let's see. Okay.
Don't
I'm
think.
psyched, buddy.
Give me the first idea that pops into your head.
Oh, alright, fine. Guess a fox.
I see a wolf.
Crab.
A crab.
I see two faces.
Let's see. Death.
Death.
I can't do the same thing the other time. I see Batman again, Batman, Bruce Wayne, Batman.
Now everything's running at 60 frames.
It looks good. There we go. Got a good game now.
It took an hour and a half to
Have
do
the
it.
results of your MRI scans. Everything seems to be normal. There is no physical.
I'm not in the mood.
Yes, no physical damage.
No, thank
However,
God.
I am worried about your psychological condition.
What? My psychological condition? What?
You gotta start over, Ethan. You're not responsible for what happened.
It's my fault Jason is dead. He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
It was
Fucking
an accident.
clown.
What was that?
Accidents happen every day. You can't blame yourself forever for your son's death. How is Sean?
My new favorite child?
I guess
I think
unhappy?
he's really unhappy. He just can't understand why I seem unable to love him.
And what about you, Ethan? What do you feel?
Amnesia?
Yeah, anesthesia.
I stopped living at the same time Jason did.
I'm a zombie now.
Your brain is looking really good right now.
Is there something else you wanted to tell me, Ethan?
I'm giving up orange juice.
Have there been any cases of split personality developing after concussion? Like people doing things but having no memory of what they've done? Like somebody else had been doing them?
We know that in certain cases, a violent shock to the brain can cause serious psychological disturbances, like schizophrenia, for example. That's the end of this session. We'll continue this conversation next week.
Okay, yes, sir.
You were lucky.
Fucking thing on my
It's
head.
very rare to survive such a traumatic accident.
I don't exactly feel lucky, Doctor.
So that crash did actually put Ethan into some kind of coma.
Oh,
But like,
goddamn.
he got better, of course.
Right. It's like,
Like, Jason's coma was a little more permanent.
oh, wow.
Problem.
Something's the matter, Sean.
No, I'm alright.
Fucking liar.
Yes.
I didn't
Tie
raise a
it up in
liar.
her eyes.
My favorite son does not lie to me.
Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
I don't feel like it.
God damn it.
How did things go at school today?
The teacher yelled at me for being late again. She's gonna send me home the next time it happens.
What fucking kind of logic is that?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, right?
Next
I mean,
time,
detention
really
maybe,
good
but
to get-
sending him home is like, you guys still gotta teach the kids.
No, I think that dialogue will actually
You wanna eat
change
something?
if, like, you don't have him do his homework or get him to bed on time. Like, you know, he'll say things like his teacher yells at him for not doing his homework and things like that.
Oh, god damn it. Oh, wait. So,
You were a good dad, so.
well, but then again, it's like, oh god, I don't know. It's like, he was supposed to be in bed at 8. I sent him to bed at 8:25. I mean, yeah, I know I got the achievement as like, oh, I'm a good father or whatnot, but it's like, I don't know. I still feel like I'm partially responsible for that.
haven't been up
This boy didn't get all of his sleep.
What do you think?
And you dropped him off.
Yeah,
Wait, what?
I imagine you're the one that dropped him off to school.
Oh.
So like,
Yeah, that, right.
I imagine if he said being late, I imagine like maybe being late between classes. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Come on, Dad, make me.
That's, I don't know, maybe.
Shoot him to the sky.
Whee! Oh, shit.
Watch out for your nuts.
Yeah.
What?
Oh!
Clearly, he has no need for them.
Oh!
As I get no need for them, no intention of ever using them again.
Oh, the things I do for love. Oh!
If I can't have nuts, neither can you, son.
That was fun, son. Now give me a minute. I need to vomit violently. That was fun, son. His voice gets higher from that. That was fun, son. Oh my god. Okay. Anyway,
Fuck you, kid.
Oh, Jesus! Okay, okay, I was trying to see if I can interact with the jungle, with the monkey bars. Oh, maybe this. Merry-go-round.
What about that merry-go-round?
Hell
I
yeah.
bet I can push you so fast you won't be able to stay on it.
I'm gonna go ahead and assume this will include a lot of button mashing.
Make your kid fly into the wall.
Whee!
Oh, it's like, oh, we're 2 for 2 now.
We're not doing this right now. We are not doing this.
Oh, there you go. There it is. There's the button mashing.
Holding down, hit the 2 triggers.
Yep, I'm holding on to him.
Faster! Faster! Come on!
Shit!
I loved these things when I was a kid. I would always want to go really fast.
Did I screw
Like
up?
every kid did.
Dad, stop this crazy thing!
I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke.
I think my head is...
Oh, that was my good pair of jeans.
Oh, my Debbie! No, wait, what?
Yeah. You're connecting with your,
was fun.
You're connecting with the child.
It's like, oh, bonding.
I'm your favorite parent, right?
I'll push you.
Okay.
Sure, why not?
Look at me when I'm talking to you.
Put me in more danger, I don't you, Dad?
I do this out of love!
I want to fly over the wall.
Aim for that card over there.
Okay, alright.
Spin me around.
I love
here we
doing
go.
that. That was so
Whee!
much fun. I love jumping off the swing.
Oh,
Dad, higher!
I remember one time when I was a kid, I jumped off the swing, but like somehow like my body like propelled forward, and I landed flat on my stomach and face.
Wow.
oh my god.
And like luckily, the playground that we were at, like the ground around the swing was like it was like really soft wood chips or something like that. So it was at least a soft landing. Whee!
Yeah, it's not like, the swing's like on top of like gravel.
Yeah. That would have been a trip to the hospital.
Yeah.
Whew, okay.
Try to explain that one to the doctor.
That was
And to my
cool.
mom. 'Cause I was with my dad at that time. So
Wait, leave? Oh, why would I want to leave?
yeah, we're bonding.
Yeah.
Fuck you, button prop.
We haven't gone on this ride yet. Can I even interact with that?
Doesn't look like it.
No? Hey,
Wait,
you!
wait. Can you talk to the guy?
Yeah, I was gonna say, hey, you! I wanna get on the ride! Fine, you're a jerk, kidding.
Wait, I just noticed.
Huh?
It's not fucking raining.
Oh my
Oh.
god. What? There's no rain?
And
What?
That's why we're happy.
Wait, Sean?
The moment I feel that first raindrop.
Sean, where'd you go?
Sean.
Sean.
He's sitting at the bench. Calm down.
Sean.
See?
Oh, okay, he is. Okay. I was gonna say. No, I was like, man, I could have sworn that you can interact with the monkey bars.
You might have done everything that there is to do.
I don't. God. Okay, listen. I know I'm no investigator or whatever, but even then, it's like
That trash needs to be changed.
oh,
There was no reason why the trash should be overfilling that much.
yeah. Oh, the slide. Good play on the slide. No. Although at the same time, that slide looks unnaturally small.
Yeah, I was gonna say that slide. That's a bit too small.
Looks like rain's coming.
Okay. Well, now the rain's coming. Okay.
Oh, fucking damn it. Now we're gonna be sad again.
Wait.
You know, sometimes I remember before. I mean, when Jason was still here.
Oh.
Sometimes I wish everything could just be the way it was before.
Me too, Sean. Me too.
Oh. All right. Well. Okay. Guess we're heading out.
Yeah, dumb.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was a good bonding experience.
Oh yeah. Okay. Wait.
Hey,
John.
Dad, can I have a ride on the carousel? Can I?
Now
Oh.
we can interact.
Sure. Go pick a horse and get on. I'll get a ticket.
Oh. Okay. Well, now I can ride on the. Now my son can ride on the carousel. Oh, thank God. Okay. Where's it? All right. You. My son wants to ride on the carousel.
One, please. That's $1.
What's his name? I said, hello, my name is... dang it. We'll never know that guy's name.
Okay.
We will
I wanna
post
see my
credits.
son.
Like post recording when you're editing
Kids,
this.
move. There we go.
Have fun, Sean. I love you, favorite son.
I love you, Sean. Oh wait, wrong kid. I'm sorry. I love you, Sean. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, not again.
Who put on the After Effects grain?
Who put on the CRT filter?
Looks terrible.
Pyramid Head?
Wait a minute. No, it's orange juice.
that is the face of like someone like oh fuck.
Oh, Jesus.
And you are fucking dead!
Oh Jesus!
Ow! My everything.
Oh my God.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we were totally not paying attention.
You lost me at orange juice in that fucking face.
Uh-oh.
It's like, yeah, we were giggling at that because we just had like another,
Oh, you're running now.
you devil moment. Next thing we know, oh shit, there's a truck.
Oh my God.
Park. Favorite son? Favorite son? Favorite son?
Sean! Wait. Oh! Backpack! Let me get to the backpack!
Wait, this smells like favorite son.
Oh my God!
I'm so upset.
It's like, I gotta sit! I must go!
Go, Scoob, go.
No! You're right, Scoob. We're dealing with one sick son of a bitch. Like... Okay, I just gotta make sure... Oh, okay, there we go. No, he's not... Okay, he's not watching TV. Shut up!
So, yeah, Danny. Now he's 2 for 2.
Wait.
No!
Did the origami killer take care of Sean?
Now he's 2 for 2.
Wait. The dog.
Oh, had to get that trailer shot.
Okay, so what happened then?
Or like, did the truck kill him? And now it's like,
Oh
we're in
my
fucking
God.
limbo now?
Did I do this? No.